What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday. Been out of the shop a little bit today. Went to the school to eat lunch with my two older boys today. But I did get some things done in the shop today. One thing is that I went back and added in some lag screws for these. I was going to do that in the beginning, but when I put the lumber rack up, I didn't have any, and it would have held up just fine with, I think it was 3.5 inch deck screws is what I put it up with. But I went back and got a more beefier lag screw. It was the same length, 3.5 inches, but it was in bigger diameter. So anyway, I feel better about it. Also, I got the miter saw on top of the modular shop storage system over here, and all I really did is just I mounted the miter saw to a piece of plywood, and then the piece of plywood to the top of this, and I've got it set out just a little bit so the wood can clear this this room here. And so got that there. I'm not sure if it's going to stay there or not, but that's where I've got it right now. I got a lot of good feedback on this project that I did yesterday. Got that completed, and I need to, I've got some more room to add in some more things there, but that's holding up real well. Some people have been asking about the garage door. If I were to open it, don't forget to take these off. This does not have a motor on it, so I mean, there's no motor up here. It's just a manual slide, and then I have to unlock it here. So this has got to come out of the way anyway, and when I do that, I take these two boards off and hang on that back side of that cart. So there's no issue with me opening this from the outside and not realizing this is on here, because that's not going to happen. Number one, it's locked here, and there's no way for me to open it other than just holding onto the garage door and just pushing it up, which I'm not going to do. So that's not really a concern, but I have gotten a lot of good feedback about being able to utilize that wall space, if you will, on that back side of that garage door. Dylan Ray, Ray's Woodshop, or D Ray's Woodshop, excuse me, on YouTube and Instagram, he had did this a while back, and I didn't know it, and he had commented on, I think, the Instagram post or something, and said, hey, where did you see that at? And he was just kidding. He thought maybe I saw it from his channel, but I didn't. So I went and watched it, and he actually uploaded his video about that a while back. So credit to you, Dylan. There you go. But yeah, it's a great idea. I think it's very useful for this application, especially with something that's on a mobile cart where you can hang it on the back side of that cart if you were to use the garage door or wheel the thing outside or whatever. So I'm really looking forward to that. That's another added bonus to that little area there. Also, I've gotten a couple of requests to talk about this shop cleaner right here. This is a WEN, W-E-N shop cleaner. I got it on Amazon, and it was about 130 bucks. I think my buddy Tim Townsend has got the same one. Tim, if you watch these, let me know down in the comments what you think about yours. So far, this has been doing pretty good in my shop application. I don't know if I've shown that before or not. Hang on a second. Let me get the remote. So here's the remote for it, and it's the WEN, the off, on speed. It's got a low, medium, high, and then a timer for hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. So I can turn it on here. I think I have done this just to see how loud it was, but then I could set it for an hour there and then just leave the shop and it'll cut off. I've done that once, and it did. So I can just cancel everything by hitting off. Anyway, it's working out pretty good. I've had several people ask me about it. I told them I would just update it here to let you guys know how it's been working. I'll throw a link down in the description in case you guys are wondering. Somebody else asked me about the lathe, if I recommend the lathe. Yes, I like it so far. When I got it, the little display here was busted, but that wasn't the manufacturer, that was the shipping. But that little controller part right there where the variable speed knob is, that thing went out, and so I called them, Penn State. I called them, and they just shipped one back to me, or shipped one out to me, and I replaced it, so no big deal there. So they've taken care of me, and they actually sent me a new display, even though it wasn't their fault. So you know, they're easy to deal with, and you know, so far haven't had an issue other than that control board going out. But like I said, they replaced it, no problem. The variable speed, I think, is what hooked me for that particular lathe, and then Wayne has got that lathe as well, and he recommended it. And for the price, you can't beat it to get the variable speed in that. So, so yeah, I'll throw a link to this stuff down in the description in case you guys are interested. I think that's about it. I don't think I've done anything else other than just put a few things away here and there. Nothing really worth talking about. I've got a few things lined up for this year that I do want to quiz you guys about and just get your feedback on a few things. But I'll mention that in another video. I'm not really ready to talk about that yet. But just know I've got some things coming down the line that I'm excited about. And I do have a few new things that, as far as going forward with the Stone & Sons Workshop business model, there's some things that I'm really excited about, but I wanna bring it to you guys and in the Facebook group to see what you guys think and get your feedback before I do anything. So anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. Check out the links if you are interested. Oh, and Scott Hahn had asked about my boy's YouTube channel and the videos that we put up. And I've got one video uploaded so far. So I think some of you guys found it. Saw a couple of comments there. And then there's another video that I have not uploaded. This is just whatever they want a video about. So this is just something for them to learn on, to be able to, you know, just kind of get used to the YouTube thing and see if it's something they enjoy or whatever. But I've got one more video to upload there for them. And then once I do that, I'll leave a link for their channel so you guys can check out their videos. So, all right, that's it for real. See you later.